My name is Nicole Perry. I'm the Salesforce administrator at the University of Fredericton. This allows our school to track internal resources without having to use spreadsheets and post-it notes. This app allows our staff to sign out resources for internal use, as well as it allows some internal departments to track and manage inventory, internal inventory. I'm going to show the resource object and how to sign out resources using the sign out object. So we start with, this is I call the app Bookshelf, and this is these are the tabs and the objects as part of Bookshelf. We'll go into the resources, and looking at some recent resources. I'm going to take a look at this first one. I actually created two record types, the library record type and a marketing inventory record type. So we'll just go into a library record type. So our internal users use, they can sign out books for internal use. So they do some study with our school, and we allow them to sign out books. And with this app, they can we can track where the books are, who has them, if the book is still current, and where it's at. So this is an example of a resource record, and you can tell it's a book, it's a current book. We've got some details about it. And you can look down and see the sign out status using the sign out record. So this one is signed out, so I'm just going to go into a sign out record. This sign out record is a child object of the resource, and therefore we can roll up some information to the resources, like the most current sign out status, as well. We can see who's got the book. So for this particular sign out, it says the resource that it's associated with, which contact has the resource, when it was issued, when it's due, and that type of thing. So I'm just going to back. And I'll just demonstrate one other. So the other record type that I created is a marketing inventory record type. And we can just track some different information. So marketing inventory is products that we have in our office, such as pamphlets and banners and things like that we might take out to trade shows. And here we can track the stock. If somebody signs out, they'll sign out how many items that they need, how much current stock is left, and also the location of where the objects get stored. So I was able to create a custom object or a custom field to let people know where to find that, where to find the object anyway, or the resource. This app was a fun app to build. It wasn't too complicated. It was fun, being able to put in some custom fields and some workflows, and even I created I was able to create a roll-up summary as well. When I get back from Dreamforce, I am going to implement this app so that we can start tracking our internal resources, and I know my staff is going to be pretty excited.